Direct editing is a very useful and powerful tool that can be used to make changes or edits to our existing designs. So we have a few options here. For one thing, I can just tap to select any portion of my design, and I should be able to get a number of dimensions if dimensions have been applied. So for example, this fillet has a value of 20, and I could just tap on that fillet radius and change that after the fact to whatever I'd like. Maybe I want to change this now to 30. And see that that has automatically been applied to my fillet. Even potentially faster than this, I again can just tap to select any entity. I'll grab that same fillet and I can just push or pull, and notice again that just changes the value that's been currently applied. I can do this for essentially any portion of my design. Maybe I want to change my hole size here, larger or smaller. And I can also delete entire portions. Maybe I want to get rid of this hole completely. I can just hit delete to get rid of that hole. And similarly, I can do this for fillets as well. Maybe I decide I don't want this back edge to be filleted anymore, so I can just delete or remove any fillets as I please. I can push or pull entire faces. So I can grab this top face and push or pull to make it thicker or thinner as I'd like. And notice what's important here is that you can see it's maintaining all of the existing fillets that have already been applied on that face. This works similarly for faces that have a chamfer applied. So this bottom face, we can see all the edges have a chamfer applied. And if I were to push or pull on this chamfer, we can see that again my face is pushed or pulled, and the chamfer is being applied on all edges just the same. All in all, we can see here that by using direct editing, it's a very powerful and useful way to quickly make design changes and edits by essentially just pushing and pulling at your model. Now that we've learned some of the fundamentals to create some great 3D designs, in the next lesson, we're going to dive even further and learn how to use the revolve tools.